Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A12 and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little and tap on biometrics and security. On the second position we've got fingerprint, so simply tap on it, and this is the very first step of adding the fingerprint. So here we've got the info that you will be able to use it to unlock your phone and verify yourself in apps. So simply tap on continue, and here we have to add an additional screen lock. You can choose the pattern pin or password. It's up to you which option you'd like to use, but be sure that you will remember it, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with those screen locks. And it is very important, because if you want to be able to do that, then you will have to go through hard reset operation, which will wipe out all your personal data, for example, like photos, if you didn't back up it previously. So just remember the pattern pin or password. So let me pick the pattern, just tap on the option you'd like to use. Let me draw it, tap on continue, redraw it and confirm. And as you can see right now, we have to scan our fingerprint and we have to put the finger on the sensor, which is located here on the side of our device, on the power button. Exactly, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see right now I have to do it multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully. And remember that when you will do it, try to catch every corner for better recognition, obviously. Okay, and as you can see, we just added our fingerprint. We can add another or simply tap on done. Right now your device is asking if you'd like to back up your pattern. I don't want to, so just let me get back. And here we've got the whole fingerprint menu. Here we've got the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it and rename it, and it's quite a cool option. Remember to tap on save. What's more, here you can also remove it. So let me save it. Here you can add another fingerprint. Here we've got the test for the fingerprint. So here we can check our fingerprints just by tapping on it and placing our finger on the sensor. Your device will recognize it and tell you what fingerprint it is. And here we've got some customizations. So we've got the fingerprint unlock, fingerprint always on, which is connected to the first option, and Samsung account. So just by tapping on this switcher, we can turn off the fingerprint unlock, so you won't be able to unlock your device with the fingerprint. So I think that in my case I should turn it on in order to check if it will work. And under it we've got the fingerprint always on, so it means that you will be able to wake and unlock your phone just by touching the side key. So let me actually check if it will work. So let me go back and let me just lock our device. And right now I'm putting my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint to it. What's more, you will be able to unlock it with the pattern pin or password. Just by swiping you can enter it, so you will still be able to unlock your device even if the fingerprint sensor won't work. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your Samsung Galaxy A12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.